In this video, I'm going to show you how to make full screen video in CapCut. So the first step is to open your project and make sure you don't select anything in your project, and at the bottom you'll see all these options. Now you just have to scroll until you find aspect ratio. So if we tap on aspect ratio, we can select the ratio of the video of the project. So as you can see, if you want to make a TikTok video, we're gonna have to select TikTok, then we have Instagram, then we have YouTube, etc. Now, if I select TikTok, as you can see, I have these black bars. Now, if I want to make the video full screen, I'm going to have to select the video, and with both of my fingers I have to make the video bigger, and as you can see now it's in full screen. Of course, if you want, you can move the video, and basically that's all you have to do, and you can do this with any kinds of aspect ratios and any videos. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.